Today we will take a look at how the badassBox is mounted, classically with the speed sensor on the chainstay. First, the contents of the box. The box itself, a AAA battery which we insert into the box the right way around. Then put the housing cover on, both snap locks should engage audibly. In addition, depending on the model, there is a thumb screw for the original spoke magnet or our spoke magnet with said thumb screw. The box is simply pushed over the sensor until the snap lock snaps into place over the sensor head. Then we take the spoke magnet and place it on a spoke with the magnet side facing the box. The magnet should be positioned on the edge of the box towards the hub. Now we turn on the e-bike and turn the rear wheel by hand and see if signals arrive and are shown as speed in the display. Ideally, you should feel your way around the correct position coming from the hub until a continuous display is displayed for the first time. Always turn the rear wheel by hand and lift or hang up the bike. That's it, and now you're ready to ride.